Good morning. So I found this really pretty yarn and I thought that I wanted to try and make something from it, and I recently made this spiderweb crochet top and I thought it would be kind of interesting to see how it turned out with like these little different, oh that looks so pretty, like these different bouts of color. Yeah, so I'm gonna try and make something from this yarn, and maybe hopefully it'll be enough to like make a little set, like a little cute little crochet set. So yeah, let's see how it turns out and what we can make of this. Oh, it's so pretty and it's so chunky too. I probably don't have the right hook, but because I'm traveling, but we'll see how it turns out. I'm gonna make one top and then I'm gonna see how much more I can make with this. So I just finished making this spiderweb crochet top. I followed a Passionate Goods tutorial. I think I messed up the back a little bit, but it was okay because this is a trial thing. And now I'm going to try and make a sleeve or like a little sweater with this spiderweb pattern. I'm going to make it with some sleeves, but I'm going to do it in this pretty yarn color. So we're going to see how that turns out.
They can't even get their music.
So pretty. Work on the sides and then we'll try and do something with the sleeves. This is my progress now. I finished one side, which will go to the back, and now I'm working on the other side according to the pattern from Passionate Kelsey. Oh my god, it's so pretty! Oh my god, I love it so much. It's so pretty. Yeah. And then I will try and find a solution on how to make the sleeves. So we gotta look at that. It's so pretty. I just finished the base of the top, so this is just the front part of the pattern without the sleeves done yet. And so I just did one extra row to make it a little nicer with double crochets, chain one, skip one. And now I'm gonna try and, well, first of all, I'm going to go around the edges and then try and do the sleeves, and I will try and figure that out right now. For this part, I think I did it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th row from the end, I just did chain 2, double crochet, skip 1, chain space, chain 1. So there's a gap in between every one of that. I just think it's like a little bit nicer, but I'm really happy. This yarn is so pretty actually, and yeah, we'll finish up the top and then I'll add some sleeves and see how that goes. No way, I mean look at this, it's so pretty. Hold on. Okay, I'm done with the sides. That side too. We're gonna do like a lace up back per the original design. It's just gonna go like that. I should pin it up at the back so that I can work on the sleeves. So we're supposed to do another round of single crochets around this, but I think I'm gonna change it up a little bit and make it like, I don't know, easier to do the sleeves around this part. We'll have to see, but I think I love the colors so much. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Look, I don't think it really looks like a spiderweb because the yarn is so chunky, but you know what, it's still really pretty. And it's just one yarn. So yeah, let's see. I'll do one round of single crochet around the top and then we'll see how we can fit this and make it into some sleeves. I have no idea, but also I think I'm gonna try and pin up the back so it's easier to see how it can go around this way. But yeah, it's so pretty right now. Look at Okay, so I've strung up the back just to hold it in place, so this is looking pretty good. I think I'm just going to do a chain from these 2 points here, and then it's gonna go all the way around, and maybe I'll touch it somewhere here. And then I'll try one side first and then see how that looks, so that this is pulled up. So from either one of these 2 points, I'll touch it here, go around, and then attach it to the back, and then see how we can make a sleeve. I'm going to try one side first and then see how that goes. So this is how it looks like. I don't mind it, but I think I have to do it, reduce it a little bit to make it like a circle properly. And then I'll work on one whole sleeve, and then I'll show you how I do it on the other. But yeah, I like how it looks. It looks like it's continuing the little spider web at this part. Yeah, and then we're gonna make it a full sleeve. This is my inspo pick for the sleeves. Originally, I did want to do a crochet sleeve with this yarn, but this spider web is so pretty. Okay, let's go. Good morning. So I tried making a sleeve last night as per my inspiration, but I think there's just too much going on right here. And when I tried it on, it was just too chunky and didn't really like it because it's falling off. Maybe I have to like, block it. Maybe I have to block it, but it just looks too chunky. So I'm gonna remove this sleeve because I think there's just too much going on. It's pretty as it is, but I think it's just too much because then there's this one. Anyways, we'll just make the normal top, and then I'm gonna see if I should make it a set with like maybe some shorts or a skirt, or make it into a dress. So yeah, we're just taking off the sleeve, and maybe I'll make it something else. Yeah, but I can show you what it looks like. So this is what the sleeve looks like, and I think it's just a bit too much and it falls off. And maybe I should have attached it more in the back, but then it would have just been harder to do. I don't know, maybe a trial for another type of top, but at least we can see we tried. And I think it was cute, but just there's too much going on right now. Yeah, so I'm gonna take it off, and then I'm gonna make the spider top like normal from the pattern. Don't touch that. And then maybe we'll make a set, a cute little set, maybe with some shorts. Thank you. And then, or maybe we'll make it into a dress somehow, like maybe continuing this pattern all the way down until, we'll see. Again, trial and error here, we don't know what we're gonna end up with. But I just really like this spider web top. I'm trying to make it into something else. I mean, like the tank top already is really cute, and my husband already told me to just make that and keep it simple, but we're trying here. We're trying experiments here. New stuff, but yeah, that didn't work out at all. Maybe I'm not doing it correctly, who knows, but yeah, we'll see. So I'm starting the skirt, and I've already made a chain, so that's gonna go like around, well, it's supposed to go around my waist because I want it to be kind of, I don't know, mid-waist, but also this yarn is not really stretchy, so I don't think if I made it into a skirt I would be able to pull it from up and wear it like that. So I don't know if I want to work it like as one panel instead of in a round like that, or if I wanted to just do it as one panel and then see if I can tie up the sides later. But or maybe I just do a few more chains, because if I did it like that, it won't give, and it'll be quite hard to put it on unless I wear it from the top down. So I think I'm just gonna work in one panel and then figure out how to do like maybe a side tie. I think that might be a little bit cute. So where's she now? She's here, so we'll end about like that much. Or maybe I should do a bit more so that it overlaps and we're not being too scandalous with the side. Let's see how it goes. So I'm not even counting my chains, by the way. It's like we just chain as we go.
well, obviously I didn't have enough of that chunky yarn, but look at it in the sunlight. So I had like this leftover chunky yarn that I made, which is a mix of a white and a blue. So I think it added pretty nicely. The texture is different, but the colors, I think they kind of go really cute, because I didn't have enough of this colorful yarn to make a skirt. And yeah, so and I had this left over, so I thought I could blend it into the skirt, and I think it's looking pretty good. I need it to be a little bit longer, and then I will work on the side panel. I think we're gonna have to do something about this huge gap, but we'll get there. But it's nice. I like the colors. It's actually so pretty. Look at this in the sun. So yeah, this is our progress on the skirt so far. I think towards the bottom, we're gonna switch it up between this blue one and like some of the little bit left over I have of the pretty yarn. But yeah, I'm liking how it's turning out, so we're gonna keep going. That much left, and I have that much left. So I think I'm gonna add like another purplish yarn, and I have to make it a chunky yarn, so let's see how that goes.
Guess who's done? I'm done with it. And the skirt, look close up here. So yeah, I'm gonna string it up properly, and then I will show you the result as a set. I think it's really cute. The colors they go quite well together. I had to improvise on the skirt, and it's pretty thick, so it's good for cold weather, but also it's a bit too warm for summer. So we'll see how we're gonna wear it, but I'm really happy. So we'll skip to the part where here you go. Okay, yeah, so I'm really happy with how this turned out, although I must say I probably won't wear it outside because it's a bit too revealing for my taste. Even though it is summer now, but just personally, I don't think I could wear it. I just like crocheting pretty things. I like crocheting pretty things, and I think it turned out really pretty. Yeah, and I wanted to try something new and something challenging, which I did. I will put the pattern for the top in the description, and also I will write a pattern for the skirt if you like, and I will link it in the description. But yeah, it was very easy to make, and I really enjoyed it because this yarn was so pretty, and so I think we achieved what we wanted to. Yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I hope I see you next time when I crochet something cool. Bye.